Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing to the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma backs on the crackdown on illegal price rise in West Garo Hills. Tura NGOs charge Chief Minister of insensitive to people's problem. Special squad conducts migrant verification in Tura District Administration. And Police West Garo Hills conducted awareness program. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on August 26 backed up and supported the action of police and district administration in cracking down in West Garo Hills on those responsible for illegally raising prices of food items and other goods across the region. The Chief Minister issued a statement stating that this was done in the best interest of the residents who had been suffering as a result of the dishonest and illegal activities of certain groups who were responsible for the increase in prices of essential commodities and other goods. The Chief Minister said that due to the illegal activities of some groups who indulge in extortion in markets in Tura and other places, prices of commodities are rising up in the entire West Garo Hills district. He assured traders and merchants that the police and the district administration will not spare anyone or group who indulge in illegal activities. He praised and encouraged the police and the district administration who step in to protect the common man through such action. He also said that we must protect the common people who have suffered a lot from the rising prices in the district.
And based on these different inputs received, a number of actions were taken by the district police and the SP, and concrete steps have now been taken to ensure that this does not happen in the future. And this will have a huge impact in ensuring that the price of essential commodities comes down to a large extent. And this will impact the poorest of the poor people and the general citizens of Tura and also of West Garo Hills. And I want to assure the different merchants and the different shopkeepers and the different people who do business in Tura and in West Garo Hills that the entire administration, the police and the government as a whole will be there to support and to ensure that full protection is given in the future so that these kind of illegal activities and extortions do not take place, which will unnecessarily lead to the prices going up, which will ultimately affect the common citizen of the state.
The Garo Students' Union, along with the NGOs from Dadengre, Williamnagar, Pulbari, Mendipathar and other places, had blamed Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma for becoming passive and insensitive to the problems faced by the people of Garo Hills, particularly in the failure of the State Electricity Department in providing regular and stable power supplies to the villages that scattered to the nooks and corners of Garo Hills. The combined NGOs had begun protesting through agitational program many weeks earlier, but no positive response was received either from the MEECL or from the government. The present agitation had turned into a very emotional outcry and appeals where slogans like Garo Ministers and Chief Minister do not love Garo Hills and their own people were shouted and written on posters and placards.
Second phase ko masukkan sa mano third phase ko kangen yan somba soroni ungen yan walo network loket ko sa kangen uni given plak ya antin garu se dong plak antin ma pa ungja mana jong ada nobi ungja mana plak ko na ya network loket ko mani pa ba corporate ka pa na sin baksa bakam pa sina plak ko ulat tinga uni gisapon government daw pet maung ko ba kang sa wa network loket ko antin no otani gisapon maung ko da kujagin smode una batte rakparas te ko nga angna nangau ga akna ba dunga uni go nanga just kami pal pak just kami pal dake government ko maska sarake ya issue ko sok phayon china ba khna saksina simung akan saksina ko nga mo tinga.
On to August 25th, Tura Special Squad conducted a migrant verification at the Medical College and Pine Mount International School construction sites in Doldegre, Tura, which are under the jurisdiction of Arail Mile Beat House. During a site inspection at the Medical College construction site, 8 labourers were found, while 11 labourers were also found at the Pine Mount International School construction site. All laborers were Indian and Assamese citizens and are registered with the Labour Office as required by the Meghalaya Residence Safety and Security Act 2016. During the verification process, no suspicious citizens were discovered. West Garo Hills Police and the District Administration, as part of its social responsibility on August 25th, conducted a mass awareness program on law and order situation, role of village defense parties in safety, security, prevention and detection of crimes, Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act, Motor Vehicle Rules and Regulations, Operation Pride, Crime Against Women and Children, Protection of Child from Sexual Offences Act, and Cybercrime at Bolchugre village under Gambigre Community and Rural Development Block. The awareness campaign was attended by 350 Gram Sabha members from 7 villages. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.